morning. Welcome back to India Pulse News. Here are the latest updates from India on politics and sports as of 20th December 2024. Political update. Parliament experienced tumultuous scenes as members of the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) and the Indian National Congress (INC) clashed over recent remarks by Home Minister Amit Shah concerning Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The confrontation escalated into a physical altercation, resulting in injuries to two BJP members of parliament. The BJP has accused Rahul Gandhi of instigating the scuffle, a claim he has denied. Both parties have lodged police complaints, each accusing the other of disrespecting Dr. Ambedkar and disrupting parliamentary proceedings. Lok Sabha rejects simultaneous elections bill. On 18 December 2024, the Lok Sabha failed to pass a bill proposing the synchronization of state and general elections across India. The bill, which required a two-thirds majority, fell short of the necessary votes. Proponents argued that simultaneous elections would reduce electoral expenses and administrative burdens, while opponents raised concerns about federalism and the potential marginalization of regional issues. The rejection indicates a significant setback for the government's electoral reform agenda. 5 militants killed in Kashmir encounter. On 19 December 2024, Indian security forces conducted an operation in the Kulgam district of Jammu and Kashmir, resulting in the deaths of 5 suspected militants. Acting on intelligence reports, a joint team of the Indian Army and local police engaged in a gun battle with the militants, who were reportedly affiliated with a proscribed organization. 2 soldiers sustained injuries during the encounter. The operation underscores the ongoing security challenges in the region. Mumbai boat collision claims 13 lives. A tragic incident occurred off the coast of Mumbai on 18 December 2024, when an Indian Navy speedboat collided with a passenger ferry en route to Elephanta Island. The collision resulted in 13 fatalities and several injuries. Preliminary reports suggest that navigational errors may have contributed to the accident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced an ex gratia payment of 2 lakh rupees to the families of the deceased. An investigation is underway to determine the exact cause of the collision. Sports update. Indian cricket icon Virat Kohli was involved in a heated exchange with journalists at Melbourne Airport. Kohli objected to being filmed with his children, perceiving it as an invasion of privacy. The situation was diffused after it was clarified that the media's focus was on Australian player Scott Boland, and Kohli's children were not filmed. That's all for now. Please subscribe this channel for future updates and other topics. Have a wonderful day ahead.